Are you having trouble sending pictures from your iPhone to an Android device? This can be frustrating, especially when you want to share important memories or information. This issue may arise due to network settings, messaging app limitations, or file format problems. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you send pictures seamlessly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone is connected to stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Open a web browser. Try visiting a website like fast.com to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. If your internet connection is unstable, toggle airplane mode on for about 20 seconds, then turn it off. Alternatively, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 2. Use MMS settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and tap on Messages. Enable Send as SMS. Also make sure MMS messaging is enabled. If it's not, toggle it on. If you're not able to send messages via iMessage, try sending them as MMS, which allows you to send pictures to non-iPhone users. After that, restart your iPhone and check your issues. Solution 2. Unblock contact in Messages. Scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap Message, scroll down, find blocked contact. Make sure you do not block the person that you are trying to send the picture of. Solution 5. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then tap on Reset network settings. Confirm your choice. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared to re-enter them. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not being able to send pictures from your iPhone to an Android device. If this guide helps you, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.